Hello. Today we're going to talk about emotional pain in the heart. The heart is involved in most, if not all, emotional pain. Many people have heart problems because they are trying to be in two relationships at once. What does that mean? Sometimes people say stay in past relationships. That is to say that we meet someone, we fall in love with them because of who they are, what they are. And when we got together at the time, everything was fun. But as time goes by, people change, everything changes. But unfortunately, the individual they become, we don't like them that much. Maybe we're not even in love with them that much. And then we get mad because they changed for not being who they used to be. See, after a while, both parties get tired of the charade of trying to be who they're not, trying to come up with who the other person wants them to be. And then what happens? Resentment builds. This applies to all relationships in general, including family. When someone has a hurt or broken heart, they will be complaining about chest pain. There is work to be done in this area, and the work that has to be done is on accepting love, because love and joy are prevalent emotions in the heart. So people have many heart problems that may not know they because they do not know how to receive and accept joy and love. They may not know how to receive it all. And it's always something to do with love. And of course, the opposite of love is being the fear of life. Additionally, sometimes when you don't have what you want, you go looking for it somewhere else. When someone has affairs, the heart chakra suffers because they don't know how to love someone completely and wholly. So they have relationships here, relationships there, but the two relationships or the three relationships that they have do not make a whole. And the heart still is suffering. They might be able to give it, but they don't receive love. They don't have joy in their life. So what is it that we have to do? We have to work on receiving love. We have to work on being joyful. And with that, have a good day. Bye-bye.